Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A on Clubhouse right now. I've talked about this app in a few videos, but I'm seriously obsessed with this app. I'm currently in the, what is it called? Reseller Rise and Shine chat room. Jenna from Empty Hanger like moderates it. And yeah, it's really cool. There's like 100-something people in the room right now, 150 people in the room right now. Yeah, I've just been obsessed with Clubhouse. If you guys don't know what it is, it's a new app, and unfortunately right now it's invite only because it's in beta phase. Hopefully it'll be open to everyone soon. I don't have any invites left. I did have a couple and I gave them out to you guys. When I do get more invites though, I will let you guys know. But yeah, it's just a really, really cool app. So if you can get your hands on an invite, I totally recommend it. First question is, hi Vanessa, I love your videos. What do you think of the new free shipping feature on Poshmark? So just the other day, like a couple days ago, Poshmark rolled out, well, not to everyone. I don't have it yet. Spoiler alert. They rolled out this new free shipping feature. And you guys are probably like, what? You can already offer free shipping. Now you can offer free shipping in your listing. So you don't have to like send an offer to a liker or make a bundle to offer free shipping. You can offer it right in the listing. And I don't know, I have kind of mixed thoughts on it. I feel like it would be good for someone that sells a lot of like high-end items. But for me, I sell like bread and butter stuff, and my average sale price isn't high enough where free shipping would make sense, I guess. On some of my items, yes, but on the majority of them, no. So I don't think that that's a feature I'm going to use. Like, I'm not going to go through and edit all of my friggin' listings and add that. Because yeah, like I said, I think it would be more beneficial for someone that sells more expensive items and not so much me. So yeah, I don't have the feature. I can't like test it out, but I don't think it's going to be one that I'm going to use. I'm just confused with Poshmark. I feel like there are so many, I don't know. They just roll out like random ass things and it's like, what? There's more important things that I feel like a lot of us want. Next question, Vanessa, your videos are so great. Please never stop making them. I learned so much. Oh, thank you. I love hearing that. My question is, what are your thoughts on consignment? Do you do it? Have you ever done it? What are your thoughts? So I don't do consignment. I know a lot of people did that and are still doing that because of the pandemic. You know, people were, you know, cleaning out their closets, and I know a lot of resellers took advantage of it. A lot of people talked about the Nextdoor app, you know, where they got a lot of clothes on that app. Well, some of them got them for free, but others were consigning for people. But yeah, that's not something that I want to get into. I don't know if I'll ever get into it. There's just, I don't know. I'd rather just buy stuff and make my own money and keep the profit for myself and not have to split it with someone. Although yes, it is easier to have like, you know, other people give you their stuff, and I don't know. There's definitely pros and cons, but for me and my business, it's not something that I want to get into. I mean, I can't say ever because I said I'm never going to sell on eBay, and look at me. I'm obsessed with eBay now, you guys. So yeah, so I can't say I'll never do it, but I don't see myself doing it in the foreseeable future. Again, I said that with eBay. Things changed, so who knows? So yeah, unfortunately, I don't really have any like tips or tricks on consignment. Now I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I came across. I feel like it's pretty life-changing. If you watch my channel, you know that I have spoken out against, well, hold on. That might not be the right terminology to use. I love your beautiful song. I've made videos talking about, I guess, the rules of Poshmark and how Poshmark doesn't want you to use automation and, you know, sharing tools, you know, like hiring a VA. I think one thing that kind of got like mixed up when I made those videos was that I think sharing sucks. Like I really do. I think it's a time suck. It sucks. I don't like sharing. But unfortunately, it's something that you have to do if you want to make sales on Poshmark. Again, I'm someone that plays by the rules, and if Poshmark says that bots aren't allowed, I'm going to go by the rules. I'm not going to be like, oh, well, they're never going to catch me. You know, I feel like a lot of people have that attitude, or nothing's going to happen to my closet. Like, I don't know. It's not worth it to me. Another thing I want to set clear, like if bots were allowable, would I use them? Absolutely. Like, because like I said, sharing sucks. But if I really felt strongly enough, then I would move to another platform. I wouldn't, you know, be rebellious and go against Poshmark's terms of service. Like, I don't know. Anyway, I have been looking for ways to not have to share. I was contemplating hiring a VA. I did hire a VA, not this previous summer, but what am I saying? The summer of 2019, I hired a VA for about 2 months, and that was great. But it was difficult to trust a random ass stranger, you know, with your Poshmark closet. And I know, you know, they can't really access your bank account that easily because, you know, if you change your bank account information, Poshmark will send you an email, blah, blah, blah. You know, but they can still go into your closet. They could delete listings. You know, there's still some things that some random ass person with access to your Poshmark account could do beyond your control. Yeah, I kind of went back and forth for a while on whether or not I wanted to hire a VA because it's hard to trust someone, blah, blah, blah. So I recently was on Clubhouse. Guys, seriously, obsessed with this app. And we were in a room. I forgot who was moderating it. I don't even know, but it was a bunch of resellers, and we were talking about automation. And yeah, there were people talking about, you know, different automation services that they use, how they hire their VAs. And then someone mentioned this website or this Google Chrome extension called Poshmark Sharing Tool. They said that it didn't violate any Poshmark terms of service. Like, this person had an email from Poshmark saying that it was okay because of the fact that it's not a bot. It's not automation. You're still doing the clicking. But the clicking that you're doing is quicker and easier, I guess. So that definitely perked my interest. So I was like, yeah, okay. And then some people started talking shit about it, and there was some discussion as to whether or not it's ethical because it's taking a tool that's used for people with disabilities, and they don't think that it's right that they're profiting off that. I think that's a bunch of bullshit, considering the person that created this tool has a disability herself. So yeah, so there was like some discussion on that, which again, I think was, you know, kind of bullshit. Like, the person that created this, I think that she created it on her own. She didn't take something that was meant for people with disabilities and like is using that, you know? So I don't know. I don't want to get into that any further, but if any of you guys were on Clubhouse and heard that, I just, yeah. Anyway, it's great. It is a life changer. It is great. I signed up last night and I could not wait to get up this morning and make a video and tell you guys about it. And it's perfect for someone that doesn't like sharing, that thinks sharing sucks, but you also want to play by the rules and you don't want to risk getting your business taken down, because it can happen. Regardless of what anyone says, it can happen. It's not worth the risk to me. Rachel, the person that created the Poshmark sharing tool, just confirmed that she's not using a software that was meant for people with disabilities. Like, that was just false information. It's just very false information that got spread around, unfortunately. She created the code, and again, it is Poshmark compliant. It's definitely a game changer. Again, you do have to share yourself, which I know some people, you know, you don't want to do, but it's good for, you know, if you're like me and you don't want to hire someone, or you know, you don't want to use automation because you want to play by the rules, it's perfect. It definitely cuts my sharing time down tremendously. I'm actually going to share my closet after I make this video, and I'll let you guys know what my sharing time is, because it definitely cuts it down. Like, it's so crazy. I have over 600 active listings now. I have like 615, I think, something like that. It's super affordable anyway, by the way. I think it's 31 something, like 31.20 or 31.80 a month. But guys, I'm telling you, it's a game changer. It's perfect for someone like me. It's perfect. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. Also, if you're on Clubhouse, you should follow me. My name on Clubhouse is VadIsRad. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.